Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can prevent your repost from showing up on TikTok. So there is a feature where you can repost a video from TikTok, but then when you repost a video, then the video will show up to your friends or your followers FYP. So your reposted TikTok videos will showing up on their FYP. And if you want to prevent that to happen, you can follow my steps right here. First, you can open your TikTok app, and then in here you can just head to your profile by clicking on this profile button at the bottom right corner of your screen. And in here you can go to the repost videos that you want. This is the reposted videos. These are the videos that are reposted in the past. Actually, there is no feature yet where you can hide your repost video from your friends, but what you need to do is you can just delete the reposted video from your profile. You can go to your click on the video that you reposted. You can see my friend will see that I reposted this video. So to hide it, you can just delete this by clicking on this share button, and that will be this remove repost. So when you click on that, the reposted video will be gone from your profile, so that it will prevent your reposted video from showing up to your friends FYP. So that's how you can hide them. But if you want to hide a repost from TikTok, you can also follow these steps. You can go to your settings by clicking on this three-line icon at the top right corner, and then go to the settings and privacy, and then find the notifications options here, and you'll find repost. So what you need to do is just return this off. So click on this, and then after that the repost will be hidden. So that's pretty much all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.